Hey there, fellow hustlers. Have you ever found yourself wondering why it seems like making money is a constant struggle for some people? Well, you're in for a treat today because I'm about to reveal 10 game-changing secrets about making money that poor people might not know. So grab a pen, take notes, and get ready to level up your financial game. Let's dive in. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Poor people often overlook the incredible power of personal development. By investing in your skills, education, and mindset, you become more valuable in the job market and open up countless opportunities for growth. Number 2. Embrace entrepreneurship. While working a 9-to-5 job might seem like the only path to financial stability, being your own boss can be a game changer. Discover your passions, develop a business plan, and take the leap into the world of entrepreneurship. Number 3. Network. Building a strong professional network is key to opening doors to lucrative opportunities. Attend industry events, connect with like-minded individuals, and never underestimate the power of a strong referral. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Leverage the power of technology. With the digital age upon us, the possibilities for making money are endless. Whether it's starting an online business, becoming a content creator, or investing in cryptocurrency, technology can be your best friend in the pursuit of financial freedom. Number 5. Embrace the side hustle. Sometimes, a 9-to-5 job isn't enough to fulfill your financial goals. Consider finding a profitable side hustle to supplement your income. It could be freelancing, tutoring, or even starting your own little side business. Number 6. Focus on passive income. Instead of relying solely on active income, explore ways to generate passive income streams. Invest in stocks, real estate, or create digital products that generate money even while you sleep. Number 7. Save and invest wisely. Many poor people struggle to save money, but putting a little aside each month can make a significant difference. Learn about investment options like index funds and retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. Number 8. Break free from debt. Debt can keep you trapped in a cycle of poverty. Make a solid plan to ditch those high-interest loans and credit card debts. With discipline and determination, you can regain control of your finances and build a brighter future. Number 9. Educate yourself about taxes. The tax system can be complicated, but understanding how it works can save you loads of money. Learn about tax deductions, credits, and how to legally optimize your tax situation for maximum savings. Number 10. Adopt a growth mindset. The most significant secret of all, your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial success. Develop a growth mindset, believe in your abilities, and never stop learning. With the right attitude, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your money-making goals. And there you have it, my friends. 10 essential things that poor people might not know about making money. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your financial situation transform. Remember, your potential is limitless. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's conquer the world of wealth together. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to smash that bell icon to never miss a money-making tip. Until next time, happy hustling.